3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Both in Slingshock. Okay, oh, the armor just fell off. And hey, what's going on, guys? Tommy here, and today I'm going to be reviewing for you guys the Beyblade Burst Turbo Slingshock 2-pack of Cyclops C4 and Revive Phoenix P4, even though it says Phoenix P4. So this is just the front. It just shows you all that stuff. Now on the back, Cyclops C4 Stamina type, shows you all the parts. Phoenix P4 Defense type, all that. So for Flugel S, which is Cyclops' performance type, it has 4 power and 2 speed. And for Revive Phoenix's performance tip, power is 0 and speed is 6. Here are just all the stats right here. And now, without further ado, let's just get straight to opening it. So guys, here I just taken out all the plastic things. So let's just take everything out. So Cyclops C4, 5, Flugel S, and Revive Phoenix 10 with friction, I believe. So let's just go over Cyclops first. So let's put it together so you guys can see what it looks like. So here is Cyclops C4, which is a defense type. It does look like a stamina type. I'm sorry, but it looks like a defense type. So it looks really cool. I guess that's the Cyclops eye with a C for Cyclops. Looks pretty cool. On the back, oh, that's pretty thick. Here's the QR code if you guys need it. And the back is all dark green. Heading to the disc, which is 5. Nothing really special, just like a normal metal forged disc. And Flugel S. So to turn it to Slingshock, you just slide this down and now it's a flat. So that's how you know it's Slingshock. It has all these fins, which it's going to be pretty hard to put on. Because no, it's not gonna break, but it's pretty sharp. So now Revive Phoenix, which is what we're here for. Let's do the layer last. So the disc is 10. Pretty, well, we've seen it. Well, it's pretty common. And friction, just a normal tip, and to turn it to Slingshock. Oh wait, it came in Slingshock mode. So to turn it to Slingshock, just slide this tab to the side, and then now it's flat, which is Slingshock. And now the energy layer, which, oh yes, you can take the armor out. So without the armor, looks pretty small actually. The Phoenix in the middle with like transparent yellow and orange, red with blue, and like all this white and blue down there. And the armor has like blue and silver paint, which looks like metal, but it's not metal. It's all plastic. So if I could find the points there. Wait, what? Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. So the points are right here, and then the armor. There we go. And now let's just put it on. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, the back. Oh, the back looks actually really cool. Here's the QR code. And now it's 10. Friction. Oh, that's pretty tight, actually. For slopes, that's not bad. And, yep, that's Revive Phoenix. Now let's put Cyclops together. And here are the 2 bays. Now let's do a test spin. So with the string launcher, let's put Revive Phoenix. Oh, the armor just fell off. I can take it out. Let's first do no armor. No armor. It looks so small. But you can only... Yeah, even when it spins, it's so small. And now let's do Cyclops. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, like Cyclops is a normal sized bag. So now let's put the armor on. There we go. 3, 2, 1. So our first stamina type versus a defense type. And sometimes in battle, when the armor gets hit too much, it will literally fly off. Cyclops losing a bunch of stamina. I'll call that a tie. So now I'm gonna put them both in Slingshock. And there. So Cyclops first. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's do a test match first. And the armor just fell off again. So yeah, that's what happens when the armor gets hit too much in the middle of battle. So now a Slingshock battle. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Both in Slingshock. Okay. Oh, the armor just fell off. And there we go. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.